Did you know modern car factories use hundreds of robots to build cars every day? Some vehicles are assembled in just a few hours.
Welcome inside a state-of-the-art car factory.
The heart of today's automotive industry. Car manufacturers face complex global supply chain challenges.
A single missing part can delay an entire production line. Sustainability has also become a major.
Manufacturers must innovate while reducing environmental impact.
Technology offers the solution.
It all begins with digital design.
Robots handle heavy and precise assembly tasks. Advanced systems ensure flawless paint finishes. Quality checks happen at every stage. Data drives smarter manufacturing decisions.
Then comes the moment everyone waits for.
Human expertise meets robotic precision. A new vehicle is born. Modern car factories redefine efficiency and innovation.
What do you think about car manufacturing today? Share your thoughts and suggest topics for our next video.